Hey, espresso lovers, Todd and Mark here from Whole Latte Love. Todd, what are we doing today?
We are unboxing the Dalla Corte Mina.
You can see what's in the box on this fabulous flow profiling machine, right?
Yeah, we want you to have the whole experience, but after this, we're going to do lots of other videos, show you how the machine operates.
So we're gonna take some power tools, and now we already took a bunch of screws out of here, so you're just gonna wanna unscrew. We like opening the lid up first, the top here, so we can get things out.
This one's kind of stripped, but go ahead and open that up and pull
Okay.
it towards you a little bit.
There we go.
And we figure you didn't want to sit there and watch us unscrew all the screws here.
So while you're doing that, I'll yank, we got an accessory box in here. We got one that's this one's just a filler. Get rid of that.
Cardboard.
We'll take a look at what the machine comes with and the accessories here when we get to that.
Okay, we got
Oh,
them
and
all.
I got one more screw over here to get the sides off. So again, you'll have a lot more screws to undo. And I'll get rid of that. Moment of truth. Okay.
That one, you get one of these, you want to keep the box just in case you ever have to ship it. It also makes a really cool accessory for a man cave, nice table.
Yeah, I know you wanted to use it as a end table.
End table, yeah.
And this is a 110 machine. We also have them in 220.
Yep. And got some hold down bolts here.
Okay.
This is a new addition.
Want to keep it safe while it's shipping, right? So a wrench on those.
Let's uncover it. Let's take a look at this beauty. Yes.
Make a little space here. Okay.
Okay, as you see, we're missing
My bolt.
one of the fasteners here, and that comes in the accessory box. So it's heavy. Maybe I'm stating the obvious, but it's always good to have somebody here to help you pick it up.
So here we go. Put
You
it
put the
over
strong guy in the back.
here. You're in front though.
Yeah, exactly. That's my point.
Okay. All right. So there's the Mina.
That is one beautiful machine. And I can't wait to get into all the other parts of it, how the thing operates and the flow control and what you can do with it.
So let's go through. So we had this out. Now that's going to come with a machine, right?
Yep, we have this custom made, local machine shop, 3/8 BSP adapter to 3/8 flare. So any 3/8 flare, or 3/8 compression, excuse me, will fit right onto this.
So that's for plumbing your machine,
Plumbing
obviously.
your machine doesn't have a reservoir.
Of course, you're going to plumb the machine. You want a drain line. Comes with that. What else? We got some
For doing the back flush, got some tablets for that.
back flush. Oh, I'll let you open that.
It's got the 54 millimeter tamper that it comes with. It also has a 58 millimeter adapter for a portafilter you can get if you want it.
Portafilter.
Yeah. We have two portafilters
Double and
a single
single.
spout.
let's put that over there. Oh, look, I like that.
Yeah. Now this is a really nice tamp pad. Goes on the front there. Spot for your tamper, and your portafilter fits right in on that. So whether you have a single or double, it works well. If you have the single, you try and do it on a counter, it tips over. Try and put it on the edge, it can slide off. So this is beautiful.
So now, what do we got here? We got a lot of
We
stuff
got a lot
here.
of stuff.
Okay.
We'll just dump it all out and take a look. Okay, we have two of these over here. It's called the H23. Those are 7-gram baskets for my testing. Then we have the H26, and that is 14 grams. We have 3 of those. The next one is the H28, and that comes about 17 and a half grams of coffee. And then the largest one, which is H23, or 32 rather, and that one has around 21 grams.
And that these are IMS baskets, and those numbers, those are the millimeters in height generally in those. And then also it does come with a back flush disc that you're going to use with this to keep your machine clean, right?
Yeah, and as long as we're looking at all this stuff, check out the portafilter handles. They're a really nice quality.
Yeah, they
I
are.
like the angle portafilter. It sits pretty level like that.
Yeah, it makes it easier to tamp, depending on how you tamp, makes it easier to tamp.
Yeah.
And also when you lock it into the machine, because it gets it up higher, and locks in easier.
Yeah,
so I really do like the angled
It's got a
ones,
good
too.
feel.
All right, shower screen.
Oh yeah, this is really nice. Nice shower screen. I believe this is a nice high quality one. And these are your fasteners for the side.
Where the machine was bolted down.
Yep.
So those will go in there.
In there. And you have a tool. This is for removing the shower screen and the shower holding plate.
Okay, and then a little clip that's got to be for the drain line.
For the
I'm
drain
guessing?
line. Drain line goes on the bottom. The clip goes in there.
And
Yeah,
group
brush
it.
for cleaning the group out.
Okay. And of course, all the manuals and what have you there. So,
And last but not least, a nice little Dalla Corte towel.
okay.
That'll be good for cleaning out your portafilter.
So that is the Mina flow profiling machine. You run it with an app, right? It's got an app for doing all your profiles, so you can do grams per second of flow over time in 5 steps. And we're going to go a lot more in depth on how to operate the Mina in some future videos and go through the whole thing. So, anything else you want to say about the Mina right now?
Not really, other than, well, I always say not really, then I say something, but it's an awesome machine. We've been playing with this for months now, and we love it. Maximum control of your coffee, and it's consistent. So that's really all I have to say.
All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching, and do stay tuned. We'll have more videos coming up on the Mina and how to use it, and we'll go much deeper in depth, right?
Sure will.
All right, I'm Mark and Todd here from Latte Love. See you back here soon for more of the best on everything coffee. Want to learn more? Subscribe now so you'll know about the latest videos on everything coffee from Latte Love.